How much money is your business wasting on traditional training, only for employees to forget 70% of it in a few days? Or maybe you're just tired of paying expensive, recurring annual fees for business training software. It's time to change how you train. Enter the perfect duo for corporate training, ActivePresenter and ActivePresenter. This powerful ecosystem allows you to design professional, interactive courses, build software simulations, and manage employee training, all without needing an entire tech team. With ActivePresenter, you get a massive toolkit right at your fingertips. From high-quality screen recording and step-by-step software simulations, which are absolutely perfect for product training. Plus, the newly integrated AI features let you automatically generate subtitles, convert text to speech, and even translate your courses in the blink of an eye. Worried about packaging? Don't be. ActivePresenter allows you to easily export your courses to SCORM or XAPI standards, ensuring seamless compatibility with any learning management system. Even better, you can publish directly to ActivePresenter, our smart next-generation LMS, giving you the power to track individual employee progress and test scores in real time. The best part? We are eliminating the burden of annual subscription fees. ActivePresenter offers an incredibly affordable perpetual license. You invest once, own the software forever, and instantly maximize the ROI of your corporate training budget. Visit our website today to download your free trial of ActivePresenter and discover what ActivePresenter can do for your team.